Okay, let's continue with the topic meteoroids. So, last class we have finished till asteroids. Now, let us continue with meteoroids. What are the meteoroids? So, what is meteoroids? These are the small pieces of rocks which move around the sun and are found in the interplanetary space. It should be noted that the same meteoroid can become a meteor or a meteorite as entering into the atmosphere of the Earth. So it is nothing. Meteoroids are nothing but small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun. So there are the differences between meteoroids, meteor and meteorite. So first point is it moves around the sun outside the Earth atmosphere found in the interplanetary space. And what is meteoroid? Meteor. It is a meteoroid passing through the Earth atmosphere. So meteoroid and meteor, there is a difference. Meteor, it moves around the sun but outside the Earth's atmosphere, but meteor moves around the sun but passes through the Earth's atmosphere. Meteoroid. What is meteoroid? It is a large piece of rock that passes through the Earth's atmosphere and fall on the Earth's surface. So these are the three differences between meteoroid, meteor and meteorite. Second difference is that it is flying rocky object in the space that tends to move towards the Earth atmosphere. And in case of meteor, it is about 25 million meteoroids become meteor and hit the atmosphere daily. Small pieces. And meteorite, a meteor that falls on the Earth's surface, creates a hole that creates the Earth's surface hollow or create due to its impact. Third difference is that it is not big enough to be called an asteroid. Meteoroid are smaller than asteroid. In case of meteor, commonly known as shooting star, it glows and burns due to friction with the atmosphere. And meteoroid is these rocks from outer space mostly contain iron. So these are the differences between meteoroid, meteor and meteorite. Let's see the comets. Comets. What is comets? The word or the term comet is derived from the Latin word cometa, which means long hair. Okay, comet means, or from where it has been derived from the Latin word cometa, and which means you just simply have to remember cometa means long hair. Thus, an icy body of gases and dust, and a comet has the body or the comet contains gases, many gases and dust, and a long tail that orbits around the sun is called a comet. So you underline the definitions of comet. Take your pencil and underline what is comet. Just you fully write from where it has been derived. So for comet has been derived from the take pencil and underline this portion. Till here. Okay, then when it is said what is comet, then just you underline an icy body of gases and thus long tail orbits around the sun is called a comet. So there may be two different questions. Comet has been derived from which word or which language? So you have to write comet has been derived from the Latin word. And what is comet? Then you write an icy body of gases and dust with a long tail that orbits around the sun is called a comet. For some regions, the comets did not get incorporated into planets.